Bro, does the turbo fit right here?
Sure it does. And it will. A clickety clackety duck buck sound came up and the engine locked solid. We're gonna get a tow truck to tow the tow truck that's towing us. Welcome back everyone to a new episode of our channel. So behind me is our new project car. It's 1987 BMW 325i. I with an I, with a 2.5 liter inline 6 M20 engine. Okay guys, so now we're gonna leave you with the road trip where we went and picked her up and brought it back home. Now it's time to give this baby her first bath since who knows when. Okay guys, so these are the treasures that we find in this car. Door lock, fog lamp, broken one, strut, something, small strut tower, a bigger one. Look at this a new belt, another belt, a used belt. This here is the Genuine BMW jack, emergency jack.
Flow meter.
It's a flow meter.
The treasure bag. Show them the treasure bag.
Yep, treasure bag. Here we have some Reese. Oh, tasty. Somebody wants spark plugs. Somebody needs spark plugs. Hit me up. Brand new. And you can. What else? Door handle. What's it called? Puller thingy. Tow hitch.
Tow hitch. Yep. A thing.
Piece of trim.
Another thing.
Some cut up wires. Somebody knows these things that you are calling things, what they are, and what purpose do they serve, please let us know.
This is the hood.
Hood.
Hood hinge, hood
Something
like that. Like this one or the other side. Let's make it easier. Not for the other side?
Oh, yeah. Just have on both sides.
This thing. That thing.
Finally. This thing. Come and take a closer look under the hood.
This here is a BMW.
The fire is the fire breathing machine. 2.5. 2.5.
Ain't no 2.7.
Who knows BMWs knows that the 2.5 is way stronger than the 2.7.
Bro, does the turbo fit right here?
Sure it does. And it will.
Someday.
Someday. Okay guys, so if you haven't noticed already, the E30 is getting towed back home. So last night we ended up washing the car, cleaning it up. Today we took it on a test drive, 4-hour drive. It was running fine. And then on the highway, a clickety clackety duck sound came up and the engine locked solid. We still haven't looked into it yet. Our expectations are very low. We think that the timing belt maybe jumped a couple of teeth, or it even didn't cut. Timing chain left the existence. Timing belt. Anyway, so I think the sound that we have heard is the pistons hitting the valve. I know I sound like a completely drunk fool. I'm just sad and frustrated and tired. So, in the next video, probably you're gonna see us tearing it down to address the problem and see what got wrong. Maybe we will throw a little of speed parts on it, maybe not. We haven't decided yet because we actually don't know how much the damage is. We might need a new engine. So, see you next time. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. Comment down below. Make sure you support us on this one. See you next time. Guys, I think I've used all of my luck. Look what's going on. The tow truck is broke down. As I was saying, the tow truck that is taking us home has broke down on the highway too. So now we are waiting on an electrician to fix the tow truck, possibly to take us home, or we're gonna get a tow truck to tow the tow truck that's towing us home. Happy. Yes. Yes. See you in the next one.